Good evening everyone, I'm Raselvana Agragasin. Now I'm gonna show you how to solve a selling price for a tour. So first of all, we're gonna put a particular. Next is the quantity. Third column is the unit cost. And the last one is the total cost. Next, we're gonna put the food. So the food consists with breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. Next, we're gonna put our transportation. So in transportation, we're gonna put the bus and the van. The van rather. And for our activities, we have Ocean Park and also a Nido. Also, we have a professional fee, which consists with tour guide and miscellaneous fee. And now we're gonna put the grand total and markup, which is 30%. And again, we're gonna put the total and the EVAT, which means is evaluation. And again, we're gonna put the total and the selling price. So for the quantity, we're going to put a 1,861, and I'm just go all the way down until in dinner. By the way, I have a corrections there, so I put the 1,861 on food, so I'm going to erase that and you'll see na na-adjust ko siya. So in bus po, we're gonna put a 58, while the van, we're gonna put a 2. For the activities naman po, we're gonna put a 1,761, the same with Nido din. And for our tour guide, which is for professional fee, we're gonna put a 60. Next is 1,861 for miscellaneous fee, and the same with insurance. And for our unit cost, we're going to put a 135. Next for the snack is 180. Next is 350 for snacks. And again for for lunch is 180. And the dinner is 450. For bus, we're going to put a 35,000, while in the van, we're going to put a 10,000. For our activities, for Ocean Park, we're going to put a 750, and next for Nido is 999. For our tour guide, we're going to put a 3,000. Skip the miscellaneous fee and proceed to insurance, so we're going to put a 150. Alright, next up is we're going to compute. So we're going to use a multiplication for our computation. So first, we're going to set a equals to B3 times C3, and that's it. You get the answer. And I'm going to just all the way down there, so all of the cell in the Excel can be computed. Also the same with the transportation, so we're going to use a multiplication too. So we're going to compute B9 times C9, and you'll get the answer. And also we're gonna do the same for our activities, which is the ocean park. So you're going to multiply equals to B12 times C12, and then you'll get the answer. Also the same with for our professional fee. Next is we're going to put the grand total. So we're going to add all the way from food to insurance. So we're going to add the D17. The D18 times the markup, which is 30%. And then you'll get the answer. Next is we're going to compute for a total. So we're going to compute a D18 plus D19. And there you go. Then for our EVAT, we're going to compute a D20 times 12%. Then for our total, we're going to compute a D20 times D21. And for our selling price, we're going to compute the D22 divided by 1,861, and then you'll get the answer. And after that, I'm going to fix all of the cells. So And then there you go. So that's how you compute a selling price for our tour. Thank you for watching.